guys, today's video we're going to learn to do the wide half double crochet, and this is just a sample of what it looks like. This is done with the medium 4-weight yarn. I used a G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook for this sample. The thinner your yarn, the lacier this stitch looks, and the drapier it will feel. So let's go ahead and get started and learn how to do this wide half double crochet. Okay, so in today's stitch, we are going to learn how to do the wide half double crochet. Now, this is a simple variation of standard half double crochets. This can be worked in a textured or mohair yarn for scarves and wraps. It can be used for really just about anything. I would also suggest using a hook that's one size larger for the foundation chain so that your stitches do not pucker. So what I'm going to do is you can use any hook, any type of yarn that you want. But I'm going to go ahead and use a 5.0 for my foundation, and then I'm going to crochet the stitch with a 4.0, just so that my foundation is one hook size larger. Okay, so to start this, you can have a multiple of any number of stitches that you want. So I'm going to start with 10. I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I'm going to remove my hook, and I'm going to go down one hook size. Okay, so first of all, you're going to work one half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3. So in this chain, you're going to work a half double crochet. So it's yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then a half double crochet in each remaining chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. So that's a half double crochet. Okay, so you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that chain there that you skipped makes a double crochet. So you have 9 or half double crochet. You got 9 half double crochets. And like I said, this is just a sample. So what we're going to do is when you get to the end, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, which does count as a half double crochet. This chain does. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do 1 half double crochet in each space between the stitches. So normally this is where you insert your hook. So like this is a stitch already. So we're going to, normally you would insert your hook right here, right underneath what looks like V's on top, but we are going to go underneath this bar right here because that's between. So yarn over, insert your hook right there between the stitches. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. So you have 2 half double crochets on here already. So see, your next one is right here. Yarn over, insert your hook between. It's underneath this bar. You've got your top stitch and then this bar right here. So you're going between. There we go. Yarn over, and once again go between. It's almost like you're going between the post. Well, you are. It's not almost. You are going between the post. and just keep doing that all the way across. It's right underneath that bar. There we go. And then there's your last one right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that chain 2 makes 9. So you need to always make sure you have the same amount. So chain 2, which that makes a half double crochet. Turn your work, and we're going to work in between all the posts, right underneath this bar. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in the last one, 9. So there you are. You've done it. That's it. And you work this with a thinner yarn. Then I'm using a medium full weight yarn. You use a DK weight, then this is going to be really lacy. So that's how you do a wide half double crochet. Okay guys, have fun with this stitch. The projects are endless. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.